Привіт-привіт, my dear Ukrainian language lovers! Мене звати Інна. My name is Інна. Вітаю вас на каналі Speak Ukrainian. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In today's video, I would like to recommend you must-have Ukrainian textbooks from beginner and to upper intermediate level. But before we start, I would like to ask you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. Ну що, почнімо. Let's get started. My dear students, I know that learning Ukrainian language is a very long, challenging journey and it requires lots of time, energy and dedication. And quite often you don't know, okay, how should I start? What resources to use? My language school, Speak Ukrainian, developed lots of very useful tools, and today I'm going to recommend you our textbooks. I would like to start with the Ukrainian alphabet book. The author of this book is Irina Topolnica, and she is a teacher, curator and methodist at our school, and she created this baby. And it is perfect for beginners. Here you can find print letters with a demonstration of cursive forming, sound pronunciation, description with the English sound comparison, picture associations, audio recording, and a set of exercises for each letter. With this book, you will understand how to read, listen, identify, and pronounce Ukrainian letters and words, laying a strong foundation for your learning journey. And you can purchase it in the ebook or hardcover version. When you are a beginner student, I would like to recommend you to check out this baby. It's called Easy Ukrainian Dialects for A1, A2 levels. A1 is a beginner and A2 is a pre-intermediate level, and the authors of these textbooks is me, Inna Sopronchuk, and Marina Nosachenko. Marina was a teacher at Speak Ukrainian, and also she was the author of our blog. With this textbook, you can dive into exciting everyday conversations and boost your vocabulary. Suitable for beginners to lower intermediate learners, it features 70 audio enhanced dialects for 10 real-life basic topics for communication in Ukrainian and English, from family and professions to travel and holidays, and a vocabulary list with an emphasis. You will be able to engage in basic conversations, enhancing your reading, speaking, and listening skills simultaneously. The continuation of this textbook is Easy Ukrainian Dialects for levels A2 B1, because our students ask us, please, we need more dialects, and this is a very good level to practice reading, speaking, and get lots of new vocabulary and phrases. So Marina Nosachenko, together with Natalia Trots is the teacher at Speak Ukrainian. So they created this beautiful baby. I called textbooks babies because I feel like, oh, I love them. And I am mother of Speak Ukrainian and of all these textbooks. Oh, так, so on the first textbook, on its cover we had golden gates in Kyiv, and here you can see the Lviv Opera House. So this is a perfect continuation of the first part, which can elevate your conversational skills with intermediate dialects. Perfect for those moving past for beginner stage. Professionally was covered 68 dialects for 10 engaging topics in Ukrainian and English, from everyday activities like shopping to Ukrainian traditions and interactions in public places. You will navigate more complex conversations with ease, improving fluency and comprehension. Master Ukrainian Cases is my first born child. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I launched it 5 years ago. Crazy. So this is one of our students' favorite and popular textbooks. This book shows a clear path through the challenging world of Ukrainian grammar for intermediate learners seeking to deepen their understanding of grammar, nuances. This comprehensive guide explains all 7 cases and their usage with clear examples. You will gain mastery over Ukrainian cases and be able to form complex sentences effortlessly. The course book Sing While Studying by Olga Gretsenko. Unfortunately, I don't have a hardcover version of this textbook yet because we launched it last week. But this is innovative course book, uses Ukrainian songs and accompanying exercises to make learning fun and effective. For intermediate and upper intermediate learners, features both traditional and contemporary songs with pre-text and post-text exercises, song dictionary, theoretical explanations, interactive games, and project assignments. You will enhance your emotional connection to the language, expand vocabulary, improve pronunciation, reinforce grammar structures, and get cultural insights through music. Ukrainian language for foreigners for levels B1, B2. So this is intermediate and upper intermediate levels by Natalia Havdida and Lesa Nazarenko. It will help to explore various topics and enrich your vocabulary for upper intermediate levels students. It is an available resource with 17 conversational topics covering daily life, traditions, and service areas, a handy Ukrainian English dictionary, and exercises to reinforce learning and deepen your understanding. You will be able to discuss a wide range of topics with ease, expanding your cultural knowledge and navigating real-world situations with confidence. And I have for you another Ukrainian language grammar textbook by Halina Matyuk, a practical course for foreigners, and it includes all grammar topics that you need to know from beginner to advanced level. For intermediate to advanced learners, it offers comprehensive theoretical explanations of grammar, exercises, tests with keys, and a short Ukrainian English dictionary. You will navigate grammar challenges with ease, improve your language proficiency confidently, and express yourself in both reading and spoken forms. So guys, all these textbooks you can find and purchase at our website speaky.com. Also, you can download a preview and get to know a little bit about these textbooks. And most of them are sold in ebook and hardcover versions. The delivery is free, so you are welcome. Thank you so much for your love of the Ukrainian language, for your support. If you would like to learn Ukrainian language deeply, I would like to invite you to book a trial lesson just for $1, where you can meet your professional Ukrainian language teacher who will make a study plan for you, and also you can identify your level if you learned Ukrainian language before and now you feel a little bit lost. If you want to check out more video lessons about the Ukrainian language, you're welcome to check out my Instagram account, Speak Ukrainian Language. Thank you so much for your support. If you buy merch at my charity project, buy t-shirts Save Ukrainian Life. Thank you to all my patrons. I appreciate your support. You motivate me to keep creating more and more video lessons for you. Дуже дякую. Your teacher Інна, ваша вчителька Інна, and papa, bye-bye.